Motion Control Products specializes in a wide range of automation products that help its customers succeed through engineering knowledge, experience, and access to a diverse portfolio.
Well, basically, we were founded in 1994. I'd come out of a motor drive electronics background, and we decided to form the company, and the name came from, what do we supply? We supply motion control products, so that's where the name came from. And it's the overview was for a one-stop shop for electric motors, drive systems, actuators, everything to do with movement of product.
Motion Control Products are experts in smart, high-performance, universal servo drive, motion, and automation solutions. Automation is crucial to manufacturing today, as it leads to greater efficiency by either increasing production capacity or reducing costs, often both. Utilizing this technology requires a solid solution partner. Motion Control Products has developed an enviable reputation over the last 25 years, working closely with respected industry names as a provider of solutions for high power density, high precision, small form factor, and extreme environment applications such as robotics, medical devices, surveillance, and defense.
I suppose over time we've changed on the basis of, when we started, we did some added value, but we were mainly involved with what is technically called box shifting, but now we've become more on the basis of added value in terms of we have our own machine shop. We have our own electronics engineers, we have a range of controls engineers, so we can put a full system together for the customer. If the customer comes to us with a problem, what he's trying to achieve, our controls engineers will look at that, and we will obviously put together a system for him or with him.
We have quite a varied portfolio of products within our range, and we try to ensure that all of those products have an in-house specialist within our team. So if one of our customers needs technical advice on an application or a particular product that they may have bought from us or intending to buy from us, then we have the necessary in-house expertise that will allow them to progress with their project.
They are equally adept at outfitting general purpose and industrial automation. This includes CNC production machines, food and beverage, packaging, converting, and special purpose machinery. With their own manufacturing facility for high volume application and an integration team, they help their customers put together the optimal solution between electrical, mechanical, and control components.
In a because we're a family-owned business, when we're recruiting, although we're looking at the skill set, looking at CVs, we're also looking for someone that's going to be a right fit for the team. You know, we're 23 people here, all based in one office. Obviously, utilising the online platform and our presentation studio moving forward means that we'll probably grow the team internally rather than externally, which means finding a candidate that's got the right mindset and the right personality to fit in with everyone here is a bit of a must. Because if you're working with people day in, day out, you know, there's challenges that will be thrown at you, and you'll need to have the ability to be flexible and deal with what happens. And yeah, being a family business, we treat the whole company as a family. So we always look for someone that will fit in and gel with everyone that's already here.
Our strengths at Motion Control Products, they break down into two categories as far as I see it. You've got the quantifiable ones, such as quality, pricing, lead time, and our ability to hold stock for customers. But on top of that, in the background, there is the caliber of our team, who without their interaction with our customers, we wouldn't have the long-term relationships that we have with a lot of our customers, and also the ability to develop more business with those customers, and also new customers and new business.
We've got our ISO 9001 certification, which is a quality management system. We're also working towards ISO 14001, which is environmental management. So, you know, it gives you a stringent set of regulations to follow to really help improve the environment. So it's a key thing for us moving forward.
Motion Control Products also offers an unparalleled support service from their UK office, along with an external sales force that is available to meet and discuss their customers' needs. With offices now located in the USA, Hong Kong, and mainland China, they are your global automation components and system motion partner.